Hey guys, welcome back once again. As you can see a program on your screen, you have to find error or output of this program. So, start guessing. Your time start now. Okay guys, time up. So, as you can see here, you have to find output of this program. So, here as you can see, the x is initialized with value 1, y is initialized with 0 and z is initialized with 3, right? So, x is greater than y. Yeah, it's true because 1 is greater than 0, right? So this is ternary operator, so the true portion is this one, so it is going to be execute, right? So what is the value of z? So I can say the value of z, it will be printing 3, right? But let me execute this program. Okay, so as you can see here, this error, so let me go to logs. So expected expression before return. So what is the meaning of this? Here we cannot use this return statement. Okay, inside a ternary operator we can't use return statement. Okay guys, so this is the compilation error. Okay, that's it for this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.